Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing a steering rack gaiter on this Mitsubishi Charisma. The existing gaiter is split, as you can see from the video. In order to remove the faulty gaiter, I'll have to remove the steering rack ball joint, okay, from the hub, and I'm using a spanner number 19 and a spanner number 17 to do that. So the 17 spanner goes here and spanner number 19 goes here, okay. And before I undo it, I'm gonna do some marking so that when I put the steering rack track rod end, I do it to the exact setting where it was before. Right friends, I'm just gonna do the marking, okay. There we go, that's our marking. Right, I've loosened the nut here. Now we're gonna remove the nut from here underneath. We're using number 17 socket to do that. In order to disengage the track rod and ball joint, I'm gonna hit the hammer on the hub to take it out. There we go. That's that removed. So I'm gonna count the turns, how many turns. So okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So on 19th turn it just came out, so I'll have to do the 19th turn to secure it. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna undo this clip here, okay. So just gonna undo the clip. I'm gonna pull the gaiter out. So that's our old gaiter, which is ripped. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the other piece which is stuck in there. There we go. There's another piece there which I'm gonna remove. There we go friends, that's the remaining part of the gaiter. The steering rack's been exposed with the dust, so we can apply some grease on it. Right friends, this is our new gaiter. We got it for £15. It came as a pair, so we're just using one. We're just gonna keep the other one for rainy days. So we're just gonna push the gaiter in. Just gonna line up just like that, nice and easy. Just gonna push it all the way in. There we go. Sorry. There we go, that's the groove. That's where we're gonna secure it. I came with two cable ties, big one for the bigger end and the small one for the smaller end. So this is what we're gonna use to secure the smaller end. Okay, so just gonna keep it there. Doesn't have to be too tight, so there we go, friends. So we're just gonna cut the excess with the cutter. There we go. That's the small end secured nicely. Now we're gonna do the bigger end. There we go. Just gonna cut the excess cable tie from here. There we go. That's that done. Right, we're gonna do the track rod end now. So it's 19 turns we need to do. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. There we go. That's our 19 turns. Okay, so I'm just gonna push that in. There we go. That's that in. Right, just gonna secure the track rod and nut. There we go. So it's number 17. Number 17 socket we're using. There we go, friends. That's that done. Right, friends, just gonna secure the track rod. There we go. There we go. That's that secured nicely. Just gonna secure it with the breaker bar. Never trust the power tools. There we go, friends. That's good enough. There we go, friends. That I've changed the steering rack gaiter in no time. So just gonna show you the gaiter from the top, and I secured it with the cable ties. Applied a little bit grease on it because it was exposed. So just gonna show you from here. That's our new gaiter there. You can clearly see that it's fitted at the correct place. Okay, so now I just gonna put the wheel back on. Thank you very much for watching the video.